Hi, David is here from Karma. So you received an invitation to use our product. So your admin sent you an invitation to Karma, and you're already registered, and you're logging in into Karma, and you'd like to know how to use that recognition tool. So don't worry, you can use this video as the guide. I'll show you how to recognize your colleagues, how will they receive your recognition, and what you can do with your profile. Let's get started. So I have a few teams that I'm part of, but for this particular example, I will use the Karma team. So let's log into Karma team. And this is my user profile. So it doesn't have any admin privileges or anything like that, no hidden menus. So everything that you'll see if you receive an invitation to Karma, just the user profile. So things that you can see and you can do is, first of all, you can obviously recognize a colleague. So if you would like to say thanks to someone, if you'd like to express your gratitude, so all you have to do is select the person. They have to be invited to and accept the invitation to Karma first. So if they're not there, maybe just nudge them and say, hey, would you like to continue registration in Karma? And once they do, their name will appear on the list, and then all you have to do is just type something like awesome work, or well done, or happy birthday, or whatever the occasion is, and then select your company value. So hopefully your admin up to this stage already set the company values. So let's say that'll be inspire the best in all. So I like this value, and I send Karma. Immediately, Anna and Alex received Karma for this particular value, and they will receive an email, something like this, and then they can check out the workspace and log into Karma from there. So unless they on this Karma web platform, they wouldn't see the notification, but they'll receive an email. And here you have your leaderboard, you have the limits. So your admin will give you a certain number of points to distribute within a month, and this is your limit in the smaller fund, and then the larger digits as your remaining points. So I already used 10 points and I have 10 points remaining. So this is your monthly leaderboard. You'll see some common topics once a lot of Karma will be processed. We'll show the themes that are recognized in your company, and then you could also see rewards. If your rewards module is turned on and you have enough coins, for example, to get a reward. So let's say I have 6 coins for a sweet tooth. So right now I can redeem that. Maybe just please put a box on my desk, and that'll be instructions for your admin. Click redeem. The end reward was requested. So our admin will receive a notification, and once they'll fulfill reward, they'll give that to you. You can always check your balance sheet, and you see I've made a purchase. But if your admin don't have donuts, they can cancel that reward, and the money will credit back to your account. So those things you can do. If your rewards module turned on, you can redeem rewards, and then you have a profile. So in your profile, you'd be able to see your balance sheet again, gain points you can give, and your activity, how many karmas you gave. You could see the points that you granted. If someone will give you recognition, you'd see that in your received points, your birthday, and the day you joined the company. If you decided to input those dates, and when you edit your profile, you'd be able to upload your photo, name, your email address, and then your birthday and your hire dates. So those things you can kind of like customize in your profile, and this is what you can do within our product. So you can recognize someone, you can receive a recognition, then you can purchase a reward if your admin set up the rewards module. If there's no rewards yet, so just use that tool to say thanks to your colleagues. And you will receive notifications about your rewards fulfillment, or if someone gave you Karma to email address that you've set within our product. So those things you can do. And so this is your guide. We'll be adding more functionality later on, and I will update this guide. But as of now, this is what you can do with our product. If you have any questions, email me, david@karmabot.chat, or reach out to your admin. Enjoy our product. Have a great day and have a great Karma. Thank you so much. Bye bye.